So here we are. There's the 71 Demon I bought, I don't know, a few weeks ago, probably a month ago, I guess, maybe. It's a 340 Chrome. It's a 318 car. Not in overall bad condition for here in Alberta, Canada. The only good place in Canada right now. Needs a lot of work. You know, there's a duster door. A Demon on that side. Galvanized sheet metal floor. Speed vents, as you can see the ground. My boot. See my boot. But anyway, I feel like that. The whole thing runs well. I mean, at 800 RPMs it has 20 psi and rising oil pressure. So, temp gauge is okay, a little foggy. I had to run a bit. Seats are something to be desired, so I'm gonna crap on there. And black houndstooth and red houndstooth. Headliner's all done for. But somebody put 72 quarters on it. But whatever. It's a lot of mags, 4-wheel drums. There's 318. But Offenhauser dual port intake. A monster 750 Demon on there. Maybe a little overcarb. Supposed to be the original engine and transmission in the car. Plus it's a factory 8 3/4 car. No fender tag. Surprise. But the car was originally sublime. On the firewall, in the trunk, down around the hard seat places, scratches. So guess what? It's going to be sublime green again. Somebody put the wrong hood scoop on it. Nah, fuck it. Put 72 scoop. It has hood pins. Yeah, here you go. There she is. She's some rig. Okay, over now.